Now we are going to learn how to convert the gray code to binary. First, like with conversion from binary to gray, you're supposed to copy down the first bit. And again, no matter if this is going to be 0 or 1, you're supposed to copy first bit down. Next, you're supposed to perform addition again, but this time you're supposed to add this bit to this one. So I have 1 plus 0 gives me 1. That's why I'm going to write 1 over here. Next, this bit plus this one. So I have 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, we're going to again write 0 and discard the carry of 1. Again, 0 plus 1 gives me 1. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. And 1 plus 1 gives me 2, right? 0. Please notice that we perform addition from this bit to this one and wrote answer over here. Again, addition and wrote the answer over here. Addition, wrote the answer over here, and so on, so on. So this is your binary number. Right now we can verify our answer because we already have learned how to convert binary to gray. So let's convert this binary number back to gray. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is my binary, and I'm supposed to convert this to gray. Gray code. Copy down first bit, and we have 1 plus 1 is 2. We have to write 0. This is addition. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and discard carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and ignore carry of 1. And I have 1 plus 0 is equal 1. Please notice that we got this same code like we had at the beginning. So this is correct answer for my problem. We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to convert the gray code to binary. We're supposed to copy down first bit. Now we have addition. 0 plus 0 gives me 0. 0 plus 1 gives me 1. 1 plus 1 gives me 2. I'm supposed to write only 0. Okay, this is my 0. 0 plus 0 gives me 0. That's why I'm supposed to write only 0. 0 plus 1 gives me 1. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. That's why I'm supposed to write 1 over here. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's why I'm supposed to write only 0. Because I have to discard carry of 1. 0 plus 1, I'm supposed to write 1 because it's 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. I'm supposed to write only 0. I'm supposed to discard 1 like I explained over here. And I have 0 plus 1 gives me 1. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. And this is my binary number. This time I drew arrows in order just make sure that I'm going to use every single bit. I'm going to convert every single bit to the binary. Now we're supposed to verify our answer, because as I said before, we have learned how to convert binary to gray. Let me copy down this binary number. We have 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and I have 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is base 2. And if you want to convert this to gray, you're supposed to copy down first bit, which is 0, and simply perform the addition like this. Now 0 plus 0 gives me 0. 0 plus 1 gives me 1. Let me draw arrows too. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. 0 plus 0 gives me 0. 0 plus 1 gives me 1. 1 plus 1 gives me 2. I'm supposed to discard carry of 1, that's why I'm going to write only 0. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. 0 plus 1 gives me 1. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. 0 plus 1 gives me 1. 1 plus 1 gives me 2. I'm supposed to write 0 and discard carry of 1. And this is my gray code. Please compare our answer with the original problem. You can see that both of them are the same. So this is correct answer to my problem.